everybody, today I'm going to be doing a timed test between the Hoover WindTunnel Max and the Bissell Powerforce bag. Last time this got 24 seconds and the time before that it got 40 seconds. So let's see if it will get one of those same times or if it will get a different time, and let's see if whatever time it does get can beat this. So we are going to use my timer, and we are going to start with the Hoover WindTunnel Max. So I'm just going to hit this button here and start it. That was fast, 20 seconds. That is actually the fastest time that we've seen so far. And I said this in my last video with one of the other vacuums, and this guy beat it because the last record was 26 seconds because I'm measuring it from the highest score, from the highest number of that vacuum, and this is because this has gone multiple times. 24 is its shortest so far, but 20 is not bad at all. So now we are going to pause the video and get stuff ready for this one. Okay, so I put down the mesh for the Bissell Powerforce bag, and then we'll see who moves on to the next round. So I'm going to hit the timer again. Wins by 3 seconds, this guy. He got 23 seconds, this guy right here, but this guy got 20, so he is moving on against the next vacuum in my series. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!